In last video we discussed about the different type of these what you call these agranulocytes, that is the lymphocytes and monocytes. So after having studied this, let us discuss the last type of the blood cells, and these are the platelets, are also called the thrombocytes. The platelets of the thrombocyte, these are the small cellular fragments found to be present in the blood, produced from the largest type of the cells. And as far as their number is concerned, their number is said to be about 2.5 to 4.5 lakhs per cubic millimeter of the blood. Per cubic millimeter of the blood, it is their number. And due to some infection or maybe some certain abnormalities, their number may likely to be decreased. And the decrease in the number of this type of the platelets, it is called to be the thrombocytopenia. It is called the thrombocytopenia. That is tremendous decrease in number. If number decreases below than the 2.5 and so on, this is called the thrombocytopenia, which may result into the internal bleeding, isn't it? And may possible that death of an organism, death of the particular man may possible. So internal bleeding, but which can be corrected by the doctor's advice. No doubt it is not a very terrible or the horrible disease, so to say about this thrombocytopenia, but it may take place. So this is about the, so what you call the thrombocytes. Now the main function of the thrombocyte is what you call the clotting, blood clotting. What is clotting? Clotting is nothing but whenever any injury takes place to the human body, say to the hand or leg, etc., within few minutes, say we can say that within few minutes the flow of the blood is stopped, and this stoppage is because of the what you call this, the process what you call it, blood clotting. And this clot means that a semi-solid mass of the blood is formed and which act like that of the plug on the wound and which stops further loss of blood. It is called the blood clotting. And this blood clotting, the important role is played by means of these blood cells, what you call the thrombocytes, or what you call these platelets. Actually, these thrombocytes, they produce the number of the what called these blood clotting factors, and which are named as the 1 to 13. Remember, actually, only 12 blood clotting factors are there, though they are named as the 1 to 13 one. The 6th is inactive one, and that's why only 12 blood clotting factors are there, which are produced blood clotting factors, which are produced by means of the platelets, and they play an important role in clot formation. Actually, these blood cells, what do they form? The thromboplastin, and this thromboplastin which help to form what you call the prothrombinase, and this prothrombinase actually it deactivate the enzyme what you call this heparin. This heparin actually it is the anticoagulant one. It do not allow to coagulate the blood, and this heparin is deactivated by means of the what you call as prothrombinase, which is produced by means of the WBC cell. Sorry, I beg your pardon, about the what you call this platelets. So this prothrombin, it act with that of the thrombin, and formation of the thrombin fibers takes place. Thrombin fibers, and in thrombin fibers, after coming in contact with the air, with the blood, with the calcium and some potassium, some salt, they are required, and these fibers of the thrombin fibers, many WBCs, RBCs, etc., they get entangled, and it forms a semi-solid mass of blood that is called the clot, and this clot do not allow the further loss of blood. So this process is called the what you call the blood clotting or coagulation. Thank you.